Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growin Guitar. I'm having fun with the song from Honestav called Growin Pains. Alright, so this one is a nice guitar song, fits guitar obviously very well. Straight chords, no need for capo here, and yeah. If you're a fan of Honestav, like sure you subscribe to this channel. He's been with us before once, and he's probably getting back here on this channel. So yeah, let's go into Growin Pains. So as I mentioned, no need for any capo here. We have 5 different chords to handle, so let's start with those. We're gonna start with A minor first, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the C chord as next, so that goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. They will also have the C E chord. You have the exact same grip as the C, but you just gonna incorporate the open E string as well. And that's the only difference. So the focus there is on the bass string to really get the open E string on the C E chord. Next is the G. You're gonna play third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And finally, we have the F chord, which is a bar chord. So you're gonna play the index finger on the first fret, and you push down all strings there. Then you need to add third on A string, third on D, and second on G. All right, let's go into this simple strumming as well. So if you grab the first chord, A minor, one string around will be down, down, up, down. That's one round. So down, down, up, down. If you can separate these first 2 downs from each other, that's great. So that means you're going to play on the bass string on the first down and answer with the higher top strings on the second down. So like that, and then you just play up, down. Okay, so that is one string around, down, down, up, down. And in tempo, a couple of rounds goes like this. Okay, so this starts with an intro, and it's pretty much the same as the verse play. So what you're gonna do here is to play A minor, 2 string rounds, G, 2, F, 2, and the C, E, 2. That's the first half of it. So it goes like this. And again, really make sure you get the open E string there, especially in the first down in the strumming. That's the first half of it. The second half will be A minor 2, G2, F2, then C1 and G1. Like this. That's the intro. And that is also how you handle the verse play. You're going to play the intro for 1 round, and then comes the first verse with one of these string rounds. The second round, because you're going to play 2 rounds in the verse, you're just going to play 1 down per chord. So that means you're going to play A minor, G, F, and the C, and then A minor, G, F, C, G. That's the second round in the verse. After that comes the chorus, why can't, and so on. That's where we are in the lyric. What you're going to do here is to continue with another round of this verse play of strumming. Okay, so that, as you can see, is the main chord progression in this song. So A minor, G, F, C, E, A minor, G, F, C, and G. One round of that, as we just learned, is how you handle the chorus play. Then you go back to play this second verse, and it's played almost the same as in the first one. The thing is here, we're going to play 3 rounds instead of 2. So the first 2 rounds is how you play the strumming, okay? You're going to play the strumming for first 2 rounds, and the third round is how you ended the first verse. You just play 1 down, the same chord progression, and that is the third round in this second verse. All right. After the second verse comes the second chorus. Just repetition. Just continue with another strumming round as you played in the first chorus, and that's it. And after that comes the bridge part. We're now about 2 minutes and 13 seconds in the song. Okay. Now you're gonna play F 2 string rounds, C 2 string rounds, G 2, A minor 1, and G1. And then in the second half of this one, you're going to play F2, C2, and G4. Okay, so let's do that together. You're going to play F2, then C2, G2, A minor, G, and then F2, C2, and G4. Okay, that is the bridge part, and right after this bridge normally comes a chorus or so, but this time in this song you're just gonna go to the outro. Okay, and what you're gonna do here is to play 1 down of the following chords: A minor, G, F, C, E, and then A minor, G, and F. And there you have it, guys. Honestav's Growin Pains. That's how I end it. So I hope you enjoyed it. If it was helpful, then let me know. Subscribe, like this tutorial, and see you soon. Till next time, guys. Play tuned.